Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pista. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best Photoshop free alternatives. Adobe Photoshop is one of the popular photo editing and design software around the world. But some people would like to use the free photo editor, so that here we have listed 5 best Photoshop alternative software. Number 1, GIMP. GIMP is one of the best alternative for Photoshop. By using this software, you can use the most of the features same as Photoshop. Its advanced manipulation supports alpha channel, layer and channel, editable text layers and quick mask to paint selection. Its file handling supports many files formats such as PCX, PDF, PNG, JPG and many more. Also, its animation feature supports convenient frame as a layer format. Number 2, Krita. Krita is another one of the best graphic design tool. Using this tool, you can make the beautiful designs. It has more than 100 beautiful brushes design included. Also, it has many filters like Photoshop. By using this texture and pattern design features, you can make the best creative background for your photos. Number 3, Paint.net. Paint.net has a simple user interface that will be helps to create the best design and easy way. This tool also supports image layers and edit multiple images. Also, its unlimited history feature help to track the editing records. This tool also supports the many files format and its performance optimized for minimum configuration system also. Number 4, Glimpse Image Editor. Glimpse is one of the best photo editing tool. This software most of the feature and UI is same as GIMP. Its color correction and layer feature work like Photoshop. Also, it's included the many predefined brushes that will be make best creative design, and it has include many professional filters. This is the best tool to editing photos for beginner level designer. Number 5, Fire Alpaca. Fire Alpaca is one of the simple tools to editing the photos. It has include the many features like rotate, selection, flip, filters and canvas size. It has also support the image layer, and its 3D editing feature really helps to make the best design tool. All of this tool really helps to make the best alternative for Photoshop.